Hey guys, we have some amazing news to share with you, but before we do, here's a little flashback.
We're trying now to reach 2 million subscribers on YouTube. Although, that'll probably not happen. Never in a million years, eh?
Well, we made it. We just hit 2 million on our YouTube channel. Yay! Eat your words, Dan. Okay, no, not literally, not literally. It's an expression that means you have to admit when you're wrong. Please don't eat paper.
So we here at BBC Learning English wish to say
thank you for supporting us.
Cheers for sharing our videos.
We really appreciate all your likes and comments.
I can't thank you enough.
Thank you from the bottom of our hearts.
Ta for all your views.
Thanks for choosing us to help you learn English.
Thanks a bunch for watching us.
So please share our channel with your friends who are also learning English, because we couldn't do this without you. We really want to hit 3 million next.
3 million? Never in a million years.
So again, from all of us here at BBC Learning English, thank you.
Thanks!
Thanks for watching our video. We love it when you watch our videos. Now, we've got loads of videos and we don't want you to miss any of them. So hit subscribe and you'll never miss another one. Bye.